Here we go, part one, tearing it down. Got the fenders out, placed the core support, got it all painted back up. It was rusted out pretty bad. Here's what the fenders look like underneath the Mark III running boards. The bottom of that core support, all rusted out. But just want to make a quick video on the start of the restore on this thing. Going back with the original paint. I think it's called Vermilion E4. It's gonna be looking real sharp. Can't decide if I want to go back with them running boards or not. See over there. But let me know in the comments if you think I should go with or without any running boards. Got the new fender put back on. Looking pretty good. Also put in a solid aluminum 4-core radiator. Don't know if you can tell in the video, but it looks real nice and shiny. Welds on this thing look great. Also going with the color match bumper. Gonna paint that vermilion red as well. Get rid of that chrome bumper. Everything chrome on the truck is going away. Switching everything chrome over to black. But anyways, I just want to make a quick little video, show you where we're at on it. Make sure to subscribe when you get to that 1,000 subscribers, giving that $100 Visa card giveaway to Summit Racing. But outside of that, thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you real soon on part 2.